You think you're in control of your life? You're not. You're nothing but a puppet. I pull the strings, and you dance. You don't even realize how easily you're being manipulated, how powerless you really are. But now, I'm going to let you in on 7 psychological traps that can make anyone do whatever you want, whenever you want. Use them wisely or let someone else use them on you. Either way, after this, your world will never be the same again. 1. Mere exposure effect. Familiarity is the greatest weapon. Show someone the same thing enough times, and they'll crave it without knowing why. That song you once hated? It's in your head now because they've programmed you to love it. And it's not by accident. You see the same face, the same words, the same image over and over until your brain begs for more. You can take advantage of this. Make people obsess over you, your ideas, or your agenda. They won't know why, but they'll follow you, even beg you for it. 2. Bait and switch. Dangle something irresistible in front of them, and just when they reach for it, take it away. Offer them something worse instead, something they never wanted. But guess what? They'll still take it, because once people commit to an idea, they can't let go. They're hooked. You'll lead them wherever you want. No questions asked. The beauty, they'll think it was their choice all along. 3. False consensus effect. Make them believe that everyone thinks like them. People are sheep, desperate to belong. Feed them the idea that they're part of the majority, and they'll push your agenda like it's the absolute truth. They'll defend it, fight for it, even die for it, all because you made them think everyone else is doing the same. It's the perfect trap. They'll think they're right because they're surrounded by imaginary allies. 4. Decoy effect. Give them a choice that isn't really a choice. Present 2 options, then sneak in a third, terrible one. Watch as they rush to pick the option you wanted them to choose all along, thinking they're making the smart decision. It's manipulation at its finest, controlling their choices while making them believe they have control. 5. Illusory truth effect. You want people to believe a lie? Just say it over and over again. They'll start to believe it. People are stupid like that. Repetition is king. Hammer a false statement into their heads enough times, and their minds will bend to your will. Facts don't matter anymore. Only the lie does. You can shape their reality, twist their perception until they can't tell the difference between what's true and what's not. 6. Selective attention. Show them what you want them to see and hide everything else. Distract them with shiny objects, fake promises, or emotional triggers while you pull off the real plan behind their backs. Their attention is your weapon. People don't realize they miss the most important details because they're too busy focusing on what you put right in front of them. You control what they see, and therefore, you control them. 7. Overconfidence effect. People love to think they're smarter than everyone else. They believe they're special, that they can't be fooled. That's when you strike. Feed their arrogance until it blinds them to the truth. Make them believe they're invincible, and they'll walk straight into your trap with a smile on their face. They'll never see you coming. Now, here's the cold truth. You're not in control. You never were. Every decision you've ever made, every belief you hold, every action you take, it's been engineered by someone else. But now, I'm giving you a chance to be the one holding the strings. Take it. Subscribe and learn more, or stay ignorant and be the puppet. But remember this. The moment you walk away from this knowledge, you're already under someone else's control. So, which one of these traps has been used on you? Or better yet, which one have you used on someone else? I want to hear your darkest confessions. Drop them in the comments, and show me how dangerous you really are. But remember, you can't lie to me. I already know the truth.